Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a hot flash and wrinkles makeup video, and we are going to be testing out something that I definitely think is probably not new, but it was new to me. It was the first time I had seen it at our Ulta, and it was on an end cap, so maybe it's new, I don't know. It is the Nudestix Tinted something foundation. Oh, can't read it. Tinted Cover Foundation, and I have the color 2.5, so we'll see if that matches. It comes in this little metal thing, and clearly I did not read what it said, but when I found this and bought it, because I have now read it just a minute ago. It's got a cool little metal container though. It is vegan. It is clean ingredients, sustainable packaging. Nudestix Tinted Cover Foundation is a natural finish, see, natural finish, lightweight foundation that looks and feels like your skin, but better, with a subtle hint of color and skincare benefits for even coverage and flawless finish, which is not what I look for in a foundation. But we're gonna try it anyways. We are gonna use the TikTok method because it is such a lightweight thing. I'm hoping that that helps it to do a little more covering of my imperfections. So anyways, that's what it says. I still have high hopes for it. It seemed like when I was testing it at the store, it seemed kind of thicker. I don't know, maybe I'm crazy. Wouldn't be the first time. Anyways, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try this. Oh, I have a couple other things here too. We're gonna try this. This is new to me. Like I said, I have no idea. I have seen this brand before, but I've never had, I don't think I've ever tried anything of theirs. So we're gonna be testing this out. I have this little sample that I've had for quite a while, and I just found it over there and thought, you know what, we need to try that. This is the Hourglass Veil finishing powder. Yeah, translucent setting powder. So we're gonna try that. And then we have this YSL Touche Eclat primer. Poreless, I think it's pore filling or blur primer. So that sounds good. Maybe that'll help out with the lightweight stuff. So we're gonna try all of those. And then we're gonna kind of go, since it's a lightweight, natural, blah, 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 we're gonna go for a natural looking eye too, kind of, you know, but better. So anyways, let's get started. We're gonna put on some, oh, too much CeraVe. But you can't have too much, right? Just rub it into your hands if you get too much. I've been having dry eyelids lately, which is weird, I think. So we needed lotion there. All right, and then we're gonna go in with our Hourglass Veil and put a light dusting of powder. We want poreless and wrinkleless. Okay, that's enough of that. Now we're going to spray it. I also noticed, I think I've noticed, I think my nose is getting bigger. Have you guys ever read that or heard that when you get old, your nose gets bigger and your ears get bigger? I can't tell that my ears are getting any bigger. But when I was looking in the mirror, I thought, I think my nose is getting bigger. I'm not okay with that. I have little ears, so I'm okay if they get a little bit bigger. Not much though. That would be improportionate with my head, I think. What do you guys think? Do you think my nose is getting bigger? I don't know why. I looked in the mirror and I'm like, my nose looks bigger. I should probably just stop looking in the mirror, huh? Oops. Okay, moving on. Primer. We're going to use this Touche Eclat from YSL. I don't know if that's how you say it. I heard some people say it like that. They sounded like they knew what they were talking about. Look at that. It's like a little gel, I think. With a little wand. I'm not sure we're gonna love this. But it's supposed to be poreless, so. Alright. I've had this for a while. Ooh, I got way too much. Feels really, really good. Except that I'm pretty sure I got too much. Oh, it's got sparkles in it too. Didn't know that. Now we're gonna go in with our foundation. Can you see it? See it not coming out? Wow. Oh, here we go. It's very thin, so I must have been delusional at the store. Right? Okay. I'll just go in with the brush like we always do. Spread it out a bit. And then go in with the sponge. I don't think I got enough. And it didn't say anything about buildable, or it actually did not say, it just said lightweight. But it was called a foundation, so it wasn't like a serum. So yeah, it's pretty light coverage. It's got more coverage than I thought though after I read it. Not a lot more coverage. Alright, I'm gonna go in with another just to see. We can build it up at all. I have a lot of veins right there on the side. More on that side. I don't know if that's because I sleep on that side more or what. But I do. I mean, I don't know if I sleep on that side more. I do have more veins that show on that side than this side. Well, it's pretty, but, and it did pretty much even my skin tone out. But I am going to go in with a sponge and just push it in and even it out. It's pretty. And it did do a lot more than I expected it to after I read it. So far so good. I'm a little impressed, which is good. Alright, let's go in with our concealer. We're going to use the Huda Beauty. I got this new brush and I'm just not sure. It seems like when I used it last time I decided that a sponge worked better. But we're gonna try it again. Give it another shot because I really have no other use for this brush that I can think of. Well, that looks pretty good. Except that I got it on my eyelash. That is never good. That's it. We're gonna try our powder again. This time we're going in with a sponge. Well, I like the sparkles you get with this powder, but it's nothing compared to my by pores as far as hiding my wrinkles and stuff. It's doing okay. It's not bad, but I'm not wowed like I am with the Bye pores. At least not yet. All right, I'm going in with my powder brush now. So what do you think so far? It's a little pale, but we're gonna warm that up. So far, I like the foundation pretty good. Better than I thought I was going to when I read how it was vegan and lightweight. So I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Let's move on. Let's put on some contour and blush real quick. Need to get my hair done tomorrow. I am ready. We're just gonna throw a little into our crease, because I told you we're gonna stay kind of neutral with the eyes. We're gonna add some Dallas blush. This is the blush from Benefit, Dallas. Some Dandelion highlighter. And that's also from Benefit. Grab a dual fiber brush, blend all that, make it look like it's meant to be there. Oh, I was going to use that Dallas on my eyelid. So I'm just going to grab that back out, take a little bit on my finger and put it on my lid real quick and call it good. Now I'm gonna take my Maybelline Night Sky Single, Night Sky's black, and I'm gonna make a little bit of a liner with this shadow. This is a very stiff angle brush, and I'm just going to put it right up against my lash and then just go across and make kind of a smoky liner line, and then pull it up just a little in the outer corner to give it a little bit of lift, just like that. And now we're going to do the brows with my POWMADE from Benefit. Also, no, is it from Benefit? Yes, it is. It is a pomade to do my brows, and we are almost done. This was a quick, easy one, which is yay. It's a rainy day here. It's cold. I did not want to make a video. I was being lazy. You guys were calling to me. I thought, get in there and do it. Stop being lazy. So here we are. Doing what we gotta do. I just wanted to curl up in a chair and do a puzzle or something. I like to do those jigsaw puzzles on my iPad. Only thing is, once I start one, I can't stop, which is terrible. All we got left after this is lips. We're done. All right, now we're gonna go in with a little bit of brow setter gel. Set those in place. Then we do our lips and we're done. So I'm just gonna put a little on there, then turn it to the comb side. Comb these up, these down. And do the same thing over here. Put some on, comb them up, and down. Call it good. All right, now I think this looks like it needs a pale lip. What do you guys think? I really love that black honey one though. I really do. I really, really do. Maybe I'll take the black honey and I'll put it over Dervish, because Dervish is kind of pale, I think. Okay, now I'm going to put black honey over the top of it. I think that looks awesome. Perfect. Just enough, right? So what do you guys think? What do you guys think of this foundation? Do you love it? You hate it? I think it looks really good. A lot better than I thought it was going to. Very natural. It does something. I don't know if it's the foundation or the powder or the poreless primer, but one of them, I feel like I'm a little shiny right here in the front, but otherwise I think it looks good. What do you guys think? I'm giving it a thumbs up. It feels like nothing, so it feels great. And it did a great job. Something did. And I'm pretty sure it was the foundation, because it looked really good to start with. The other things just complemented it. We'll have to try it again with my Bye Bye Pores and see if it looks as good. So anyways, I'm giving it a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!